When should I use a drone instead of regular video or stills? The answer is whenever you want to, really. Many clients like drone footage to complement regular video footage, and drones are also extremely useful for roof inspections and checking those hard to get to areas which normally require access platforms, scaffolding or even rope access. For product, process or promotional videos, drone can add an interesting perspective to the overall edit. For inductions, for example, a bird's eye view can often assist in gaining an understanding of a site, especially when coupled with 360-degree cab footage for drivers entering new, unfamiliar, large sites. And interesting angles can be obtained in areas where personal access is restricted or even forbidden. For us, drone fills the gap between what we would call full aerial photography, where aircraft or helicopters are used, and which we can also provide, and ground-based cameras. For us, a drone is simply another tool in the toolbox, and we will either suggest or adapt its use where appropriate.